Aloha and welcome to Eat and Be Eaten. Today we're going to be cooking up edible hibiscus. Now, edible hibiscus is not actually a true hibiscus. It's related to okra, and the leaves are really high in vitamins A and C, so we're going to be cooking some of those today. So I'm just going to cut off 4 leaves or so. Try to do the little more tender ones up here at the top, the new fresher growth, and it's found all throughout the Pacific. So I think that's enough. So we're going to go in and cook it with homemade dosa. Okay, gonna put some salt in, and we're gonna add some curry powder. Alright, so now underneath the edible hibiscus we're going to have a dosa. Now dosa is a South Indian basically flatbread that's made with rice and lentils, and it's fermented for a day. So basically this is a lentil and rice batter that is made from soaked lentils and rice. And yeah, it's fermented in this jar for at least 24 hours, and when you put it on, you cook it like a pancake. We're going to put our dosa on. And what you're looking for is, you see how it's starting to bubble over this way? You want it to bubble through all of the dosa. And when there's bubbles all throughout the dosa, then you can flip. Okay, so we have our dosa and greens. Just wrap it up like a kind of a taco. Delicious.